Would you rather take your modern, state-of-the-art vehicle to a body shop that still uses old-fashioned, outdated techniques? Or would you prefer to take it to a collision center that chooses to train its staff in the latest techniques using the latest technology? Here at Soerens Ford, we work on all makes and models, and we make sure that our people are trained to the highest standards on all of them. So we know that each and every one of our customers' cars leaves our collision center repaired right the first time, every time. Did you know that Wisconsin law says that you can take your vehicle to any collision center, no matter which one your insurance company recommends? Across the U.S., there are more than 30,000 body shops, and according to estimates, nearly 60% of them don't properly train their people. So it's important for you to choose wisely. The Soerens Collision Center has been certified Gold Class by ICAR, an organization dedicated to providing the skills needed to perform complete, safe, and quality collision repairs. Only 20% of collision centers are Gold Class certified, and Soerens is one of them. So the next time you need collision repair or dings and dents repaired professionally, call us at the Soerens Collision Center first. We train today for tomorrow's repairs.